Assalamualaikum students, I am your SSC teacher of class 3. Students, today we will complete the reading of Unit 12 Being a Good Citizen and solve the activities given on page number 78, 81 and 83. First of all, we will solve the activity given on page number 78. This activity is about the topic kindness. And in this topic, we read about the four peoples Iman, Shafi, Mrs. Ahmad and Dadajan, and in this topic some actions were given through which these people can help each other. So we will complete the sentences. Shafi could show Mrs. Ahmad kindness by helping with shopping. And number 2, Mrs. Ahmad could show Shafi kindness by reading a story. How Dadajan can show kindness to Iman? Dadajan could show Iman kindness by playing. And Mrs. Ahmad could show Dadajan kindness by serving tea. And B activity is think about showing kindness to people you know to whom you could show kindness. Answer is I could show kindness to my friend by sharing my toys with her. यानी हम मुख्तलिफ लोगों को काइंडनेस किस तरह शो कर सकते हैं, मुख्तलिफ तरीक़ों से कर सकते हैं. जैसे फ्रेंड्स के साथ टॉयज शेयर कर सकते हैं, घर में बहन भाइयों के साथ उनकी हेल्प करवा के, तो इस और मामा की घर के कामों में हेल्प करवा के भी हम काइंडनेस शो कर सकते हैं. Now we will read page number 80, respect for others. In this topic you will learn that how you can show respect for others. This is a scene of a classroom. Mrs. Ahmed is a teacher and she is teaching the history lesson. And what was happened? Anam was not listening to Mrs. Malik explaining the history lesson to the class. It's nearly time for the break, she whispered to Sunita. Shh! Sunita put her finger on her lips. Mrs. Malik looked at both of them. The bell for break began to ring. Please open your book, Anam, said Mrs. Malik. Everyone else may go out to play. Anam pulled a face when Mrs. Malik was not looking. Students, Mrs. Malik was teaching the history lesson in the class, but Anam was not listening to Mrs. Malik. And when Mrs. Malik looked at Anam, she gave her a punishment. And she can't go to play in break. And in reaction, what did Anam do? Anam pulled a face when Mrs. Malik was not looking. And outside in the school ground, some children were playing football or hopscotch while others were chatting with friends. Sunita and her friend Mahgul were standing and talking when a boy came running up and knocked the two girls down. Mahgul hurt her hand badly. Sunita helped Mahgul to get up. And she went up to the boy and said, "You hurt my friend, her hand is cut." The boy laughed rudely and shouted, "Don't stand in my way or I'll knock you down again," and ran off. सुनीता और उसकी फ्रेंड माहगुल ग्राउंड में खेल रहे थे, लेकिन एक लड़के ने आके उनको धक्का दिया अपना फुटबॉल लेने के लिए, तो जिसकी वजह से माहगुल हर्ट हो गई. लेकिन जब सुनीता ने उसको उसकी गलती का एहसास दिलाया तो उसने उसको एक्सेप्ट करने से इनकार कर दिया, बल्कि कहा कि वो उसको दोबारा भी गिरा सकता है. Now there is the activity on page number 81. Anam did not show respect for Mrs. Malik in the history lesson. Why? Because she whispered when Mrs. Malik was talking to the class and she was not listening to Mrs. Malik. Number 2, Mrs. Malik showed Anam respect by how Mrs. Malik showed respect to Anam by saying her please to open the book. And Sunita showed her respect because she listened to her and tried to get Anam to listen. And the boy did not show any respect to Sunita. जो लड़के ने सुनीता को रिस्पेक्ट क्यों शो नहीं की? Because she said he would knock her down. And fifth question is Anam was not being respectful towards Mrs. Malik at break because. And how Anam was not being respectful towards Mrs. Malik? Because she pulled her face when Mrs. Malik was not looking. Now we will read page number 81. Rules. Rules means laws. Students, we have rules everywhere, but in schools you have different rules and in home you have different rules. But the important thing is that we must obey the rules. So Mrs. Malik had asked the children in her class to make their own rules. Mrs. Malik gave an assignment to the student, and what was that assignment? Pretend that you are living in a house where there are no grown-ups to look after you, she said. And what happened? It's mine. No, it's mine. I washed it. You didn't wash yours. We have no clean plates. No one has washed them. एंड वी शुड टेक टर्न्स एवरीवन शुड हैव लेट्स मेक अ लिस्ट. मिसेस मलिक ने स्टूडेंट्स को एक असाइनमेंट दी कि वो रूल्स बनाएंगे और प्रिटेंड करें कि आप घर में सिर्फ स्टूडेंट बच्चे हैं और कोई बड़ा नहीं है तो क्या होगा. दे हैड टू लुक आफ्टर देमसेल्व्स बाय getting food, keeping clean, keeping the house clean, washing their clothes, going to school and keeping safe. If there are no grown up in the home, the children will do all work by themselves. And they discuss with and उन्हें सारे काम खुद करने पड़ेंगे. उन्हें खाना भी बनाना पड़ेगा, घर को साफ भी रखना पड़ेगा, कपड़े भी धोने पड़ेंगे. इस तरह सारे काम उन्हें करने पड़ेंगे. They discussed with each other what might happen if there were no rules and they could all do whatever they liked. If there were no rules, what will happen? There's no one to make us go to school. We can do whatever we like. We wouldn't learn anything. What about when we are older and can't pass exams? We would not get jobs. We should go to schools. We can eat what we like. I'll just eat sweets. But you would not be healthy and you will get fat. We should learn to cook healthy food. I'm not cooking. We can take turns. Or we could all do different jobs, whatever we are good at. But everyone has to work. अब स्टूडेंट्स ने बुक सिर्फ चीज़ें डिस्कस की कि अगर रूल्स फॉलो नहीं होंगे तो कुछ चीज़ों पे वो खुश हुए कि हमें स्कूल नहीं जाना पड़ेगा, हम अपनी मर्ज़ी की चीज़ें खा सकते हैं. लेकिन जैसे जैसे उन्हें डिस्कशन की तो उन्हें पता चला कि रूल्स को फॉलो करना भी इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. एंड एट लास्ट देयर इज एक्टिविटी ऑन पेज नंबर 83. राइट फेयर और अनफेयर आफ्टर ईच सेंटेंस. फेयर मीन्स इज इट गुड और नॉट. So at a party, Rida filled her plate with food. There was not enough for everyone. Rida went to a party and there was not enough food, but Rida filled her plate. So is it fair or unfair? Unfair, because Rida should take care of other people. Number 2, Mariam's mother said you can't see this film because it is frightening for children. इज़ इट फेयर और नॉट फेयर? क्योंकि बच्चों को डरावनी फिल्में नहीं देखनी चाहिए, वो डर जाते हैं, तो इसलिए ये फेयर था. दानियाल सेड ओनली बॉयज शुड बी अलाउड टू प्ले फुटबॉल. इट इज़ अनफेयर बिकॉज गर्ल्स कैन ऑल्सो प्ले फुटबॉल. फोर्थ वन इज़ द ओल्डर चिल्ड्रन सेड वी विल ओनली प्ले फास्ट गेम्स एट वन एंड ऑफ द प्ले ग्राउंड सो दैट वी डू नॉट नॉक डाउन यंगर चिल्ड्रन. इट इज़ फेयर. एंड बी एक्टिविटीज मेक अ हाउस रूल स्टार. You will make some rules that you should follow in a home, and what you should do: respect and obey the elders, keep the house clean, be helpful to others at home. और वो काम जो हमें नहीं करने चाहिए वो कौन से हैं? Do not make the house dirty, do not beat younger brothers and sisters, and do not make a noise. At last, there is a home assignment for you. You will read page number 80, 81 and 82 and solve and learn book activities on page number 78, 81 and 83. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.